So welcome back again and thanks for joining us for our Links 007 TV Let's Talk. It's a beautiful Thursday morning and I just want to touch on a little situation that I see making rounds on social media. And that's a video of recording artist himself, Jack Cure. And he got arrested in Amsterdam in relation to a stabbing incident that took place in that section of the world. Now, it is still unclear what really led to the altercation between Jakir and that promoter. However, he was arrested and charged with attempted murder based on preliminary investigation by that country's authority. But Jakir has been the center of a number of controversies throughout his musical career, some dating back many years and some in recent times. But all I can say, I just hope that he does pull through this one because this seems as if it's a very sticky one per se. And we've seen how the system has taken up a number of our dancehall recording artists. As you know, a number of them is behind bars on various charges, and those include incarcerated dancehall star Vibes Cartel. You also have Ninja Man, and now recording reggae superstar Jacure has actually been caught by the system as well. But all I can say, violence doesn't pay, and at the end of the day, these recording artists need to be setting some level of example for their fans, even though it's one of those situations that we've reflected on most of the times and we've really analyzed this some way, and we realize that most of these recording artists, they really don't live the life that they preach. But it's very sad to see what transpired with Jacure. And as you know, he's a very good recording artist, and even though there has been many controversy that surround his musical career and also the manner in which he deal with certain situation as well, he's still a great singer, and we just want to wish him all the best through this situation because this is going to be a very difficult time for him right now. And as you know, this seems as if it's a very serious situation, and it's very sad to see that he would have gotten himself involved in such a very serious offense right now, especially outside of his homeland. But the authorities are carrying out the investigation, and it's said that the entertainer will be spending his birthday behind bars, and he will be behind bars up until the 14th of October before he have another court date. So he have a matter of time to spend behind bars right now before he's actually given a chance for his voice to be heard in that country's court. But I'm just using my platform to implore these recording artists, try and find other ways of settling your problems whenever you're having these with promoters or even other artists as well. Turning to violence should not be the way. You are role models out there in society, and people look up to you most of the times. Many people look up to you and you're not setting the right example for them to follow. Most of you will preach peace in your song, however, you're not living a life of peace. And it's one of those unfortunate situations once more that we have to report on this program. But the information reaching us is that they seem to have had an altercation and the individual was actually stabbed a number of times, I believe, in his abdomen, and he actually made a report to the police, and Jackie was subsequently taken into custody in relation to the matter. What really led to the altercation, still the information about that still remains sketchy, and no one really actually know the real details surrounding what really transpired between the entertainer and the promoter. But the promoter is said to be a very well-known promoter, and he's actually one of those promoters that have been doing a number of shows in that country. But we'll continue to track this story though and provide you with more information to come on this. But very sad to bring to you today what happened to Jacure, and we just want to wish him all the best, and hopefully he does pull through this one, even though it's going to seem as if it's going to be a hard one for him to actually venture out of this one, as he has been charged with attempted murder and assault, which are two serious offenses. Wherever you are in the world, those are two serious offenses, and we really hope that he really get the type of support that he needs in during this difficult time. And I hope that the fans just stood by him and just try their very best to just console him in the best possible way there is. Alright, so we're gonna leave this one here for now though. Bless up, Links 070. Alright, peace out and bless.